Understanding the phrase, a bit nippy. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and commonly used English phrase, a bit nippy. This phrase is a great example of how English speakers often use colorful language to describe everyday situations. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker, let's get started. The phrase, a bit nippy, is a colloquial and informal way of saying that the weather is slightly cold or chilly. It's important to note that this phrase is usually used in a light-hearted or casual context. When someone says it's a bit nippy, they're not talking about extreme cold or freezing temperatures. Instead, they're referring to a level of cold that is noticeable but not severe. The word, nippy, is believed to come from the verb, nip, which means to pinch or squeeze sharply. This is a metaphorical way of describing how cold weather can feel like it's pinching your skin. Over time, nippy has come to be used more broadly to describe any sort of brisk, cool weather. To help you understand how to use a bit nippy in conversation, let's look at a few examples. You might want to wear a jacket. It's a bit nippy outside this morning. I didn't expect it to be a bit nippy during our summer evening walk. The breeze from the ocean makes it feel a bit nippy, even though it's sunny. Notice how in each of these sentences, the phrase sets a casual and conversational tone. There are several other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. Some of these include, a bit chilly, a touch of cold, somewhat brisk, coolish. Understanding these synonyms can help you enrich your English vocabulary and understand various contexts where they might be used. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, a bit nippy, and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. Remember, learning these kinds of phrases can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to practice using a bit nippy in your conversations, especially when the weather calls for it. Stay tuned for more interesting English phrases in our upcoming videos. Bye for now.